Hello everyone, welcome to another hair hack video. Take your hair, divide it into 4 equal halves, tie the upper 2 halves in the form of a ponytail, then tie the lower 2 halves in the form of plaits. Make a gap in between and keep inserting that ponytails into the gap, then divide that plait into two. Take your hair, tie it in the form of 4 ponytails, dividing it into 4 equal halves. Tie all the 4 halves in the form of plaits, roll it upwards in the form of dangling figures, and then decorate it with your favorite ribbon. Take your hair, tie it in the form of 4 ponytails, tie the lower ponytails in the form of plaits and the upper ponytails in the form of a ribbon. Now roll the part of hair around that ribbon and tie it in the form of plaits. You are done here. Take your hair, tie it in the form of 6 ponytails, attach all of them together. Now take those ponytails and tie it in the form of a rubber or a rubber band. Divide those ponytails into 2 halves and tie plaits out of them. Attach all of them together and you are done. Thank you for watching.